Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making one of my most requested recipes. This organic dill dip is such a crowd pleaser, you guys. It's one of the recipes that I get asked for all the time by my husband, by friends, and it was also one of the things that my staff at my bakery asked me to make all the time. Everybody loves this easy dill dip. This delicious dill dip is so quick and easy to make, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So all we need are a few simple ingredients to make this amazing dill dip at home, guys. The first thing you're going to need is sour cream. This is going to be the base of this dip. I really love using Nancy's organic sour cream, and I really love Organic Valley as well. These two I find are the most thick organic sour creams on the market, and so I really love using those for this dip. And then I'm also going to be using some mayonnaise, and we're going to use dried dill because this is going to give us the most flavor. While you can use fresh dill, it's just not going to give you as much flavor, and you're going to need a lot more of it, and it won't stay as fresh as long in the fridge as if you're using dried dill, so that's why I'm using dried dill in this recipe. And then we're also going to use a little bit of dried parsley and then onion powder. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of fresh lemon juice and zest, and of course, salt and pepper. First, we're going to add in 2/3 a cup of sour cream. Next, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of mayo. Next, we're going to add in our spices, and we're doing 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And then next, we're going to add in the juice and zest of 1/2 lemon. If you guys don't have a fresh lemon, you can use lemon juice from a bottle as well. That's totally okay. It's going to be about 2 tablespoons. And then last, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Then you're just gonna mix this up, and it's gonna be ready to enjoy. And this smells so good, you guys. I can smell the zesty lemon, the fragrant dill. It's gonna be just so delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And now we love serving this dill dip with just fresh veggies like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers. You can also serve this with potato chips, super good. You can also use this as a spread on top of sandwiches or wraps. There's just so many ways that you can enjoy this delicious dill dip. And then you wanna give it a little taste just to make sure you don't need any more salt and pepper. And it's perfect. Now this is ready to serve. A little bit of cucumber, a little bit of carrot, red pepper, and potato chips, and you guys have a delicious appetizer that's ready for any sort of little gathering. This makes an easy and delicious snack or appetizer that's perfect for game day or hosting. If you want more easy snack recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. And he heard dill dip.